Good morning, children. Let's begin with a famous proverb. Where there is a will, there is a way. Means, if someone is determined to do something, he will find a way to accomplish it regardless of obstacles. Children, let's begin with the writing work of lesson number 3, Animal Shelters. Here are the new words. First, shelter. Shelter is a safe place to live in. Second, scorching means very hot. Next, protect means keep safe from harm or injury. Defend means to protect from danger. Thorny means having many thorns. Tendril. Tendril is a thin, stem-like part of a climbing plant. Next is convenient. Convenient means fits well according to one's need. Next is hollows means having a hole or empty space inside. Next is caverns. Caverns means a large cave or chamber in a cave. Next is deserted means empty where nothing is there. Next, tumble down means fallen or ruin, difficult, hard to do. So children, you have to write these new words in your copy by making 2 columns and repeat new words 5 times. Let's continue with the exercise. Question number 1, fill in the blanks. Children, here is the first statement. As I said, we have to write the correct word in the blank places in the statement. So, let's see the first one. The nests of all birds are not all dash. Children, we have seen nest of birds which are different, not the same. So, what will be the answer? Alike. Right. The nests of all birds are not all alike. Second one. The dash bird is smaller than the sparrow. We have read this in the lesson. Which bird is smaller than the sparrow? Yes, right. Tailor bird. So the right answer is tailor. The tailor bird is smaller than the sparrow. Next one. Some animals do not make any dash to build shelters for themselves. What could be the answer? Yes, they do not make any efforts. So the right answer is efforts. Some animals do not make any efforts to build shelters for themselves. Next one. Tigers, leopards and dash live in caves in mountains. Children, we have discussed in the lesson which animals live in caves. So, the third animal is hyenas. So, the correct statement is tigers, leopards and hyenas live in caves in mountains. The next one. The shelter made for a horse is called a dash. Very easy. It is called a stable. The shelter made for a horse is called a stable. Children, you have to write this question in this way in your notebook. Question 1. Fill in the blanks. The blanks can be written with a color pencil, but it is not compulsory. But it is compulsory to underline the answer words. So, first one. The nests of all birds are not all alike. Next. The tailor bird is smaller than the sparrow. Next. Some animals do not make any efforts to build shelters for themselves. Next. Tigers, leopards and hyenas live in caves in mountains. Next one. The shelter made for a horse is called a stable. Let's move to the next question. Answer the following questions. First one, what does the tailor bird use to stitch its nest? Children, tailor bird stitches leaves to make its nest. So, the answer is the tailor bird uses a fine tendril to stitch its nest. Second question, what makes it difficult for animals that eat eggs to reach a weaver bird's nest? Answer is written in 3 points. A weaver bird chooses a thorny tree which has some branches hanging over water. B point, it builds its nest on the highest of these branches. And C, therefore, animals that eat eggs find it difficult to reach the nest. In this way, weaver bird chooses a tree which is like this. So it is difficult for other animals to reach weaver bird's nest. Third question, how do birds make their nest soft and warm? Birds use cotton wool and pieces of threads and string to make the nest soft and warm from inside. Next question 4. Why do mice and rats not enter houses built with cement? Answer. Mice and rats do not enter houses built with cement because they cannot dig holes into cement construction. They can easily dig hole into muddy houses. Next question. Where do bats find shelter besides dark caverns? Answer. Besides dark caverns, bats find shelter in tall trees and old, deserted, tumble-down buildings. Children, here we have completed the exercise of the lesson. You have to write this exercise carefully in your notebook and read the lesson once again thoroughly. See you in the next video. Till then, happy learning.